Hey everyone, Joe Gentili from Sarraf Gentile LLP. So today's video is going to be a little different. Normally I do these videos focused on immigration litigation of some kind, usually mandamus lawsuits. Today's going to be a little more focused on the law firm. Over the years, I've given a lot of information on immigration litigation topics and mandamus lawsuits, but I generally don't do a lot of videos describing who we are at Sarraf Gentili. So there's myself, Joe Gentili, and my partner Ronan Sarraf. We've each been litigating federal lawsuits for at least 20 years. In my case, 20 years. In Ronan's case longer than that. So we have lots and lots of experience in federal litigation and lots of experience in complex federal litigation. So most of the litigation experience we have that's outside of the immigration context has been focused on complex class actions. So we're very comfortable with complex cases, complex procedures. So we have a really deep background in litigation. Most people that do immigration litigation, their primary background is in immigration law, and they kind of have a secondary background in litigation. We're the reverse of that. Our primary background is deep, deep experience on the litigation front, and immigration is something we've been working on and have learned over the years, but our initial background was in litigation. We've done a lot of immigration-based litigation on mandamus cases alone. We've represented hundreds of people in cases, so this is something we do regularly and have a lot of experience. We've worked in a lot of different jurisdictions, so we just really bring a really large wealth of knowledge and deep bench of experience to this. One thing you'll notice if you work with us too that I think makes us a bit different is that we're very, very conscious about responding to people on time, clients when they get back to us, even non-clients that have questions. So we get back to people as soon as possible. We don't have it where people are waiting days to hear responses for us. We're proactive about updating people when something comes up in their case that we think they should know about. And by and large, if you are asking for an update on your case, you email us with a question, you're going to be speaking directly to Ronan or me. There's not going to be an intermediary or an assistant that you're dealing with. And the other thing I would just point out is if you haven't already, if you're thinking of hiring a law firm to help you with a mandamus lawsuit, just check out our reviews. Check out our reviews on Google. We have a lot of reviews on Google, lots of former clients. I think as far as I can tell, all of them are happy with the experience. All of them, to the extent that they comment on it, or complimentary about our professionalism with them, our response times, the quality of the work that was put in their cases, and thankfully for most of them, the results have also been excellent. So that's the end of my little description of our firm. So again, a bit different. I like to focus the content on educating people on immigration litigation and mandamus lawsuits, but I thought we'd do this one just to give a little description of the people behind, of the law firm behind the videos and who you'd actually be working with if you chose to have us represent you. So any case, I hope everyone's well, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out with questions. And I encourage you to subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks.